Alright, hello guys, I'm Henry and welcome back to my channel. And today, as mentioned in the video title, I'm gonna teach you how to make a program which runs selection sort. So before we start code, I just want to show you how it works first. So let's see in the video right here. Right, so as the video passed, I will explain a little bit. So for 2 is here, 1 is here, and we have the first loop, which is we use I as a parameter. You can use any alphabets, but for me it's I, and it's checked from I. And we have a second loop, it will check if there is other number that's smaller than 2. So it irritates through the list and find one, and it will keep irritate through the list to find any other smaller number. So it will store the number of the position in the list, the smallest number, and found one. So after the second loop, the first attempt of the second loop, and it will swap with the first loop number with the smallest position number here, 2 and 1. So we'll keep seeing this in the entire video until the list is sorted. Let's see, it will check from 4, and this is the first loop, and it will see if the second loop can find a smaller number, and if we find the smallest number, then it will swap with the number 4 here, the first loop number. Right, so just keep this pace and the list is sorted, and yeah, that's all how it can work. So let's begin with the coding. Okay. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is to create a main function. This is required in Java, so don't get a mistake. Right, that's wrong. Right, okay. And we have a list of random numbers, actually like 100, 5, 68, so 14, 9, 35. Yeah, okay. So we need semicolon here. This is compulsory. Okay, so so this line we're gonna add the function that we're gonna create under here, the sorting function. So this is the loop that will print all the number that has been sorted here. So for a equals 0, a smaller than x dot length a plus plus, and we system. So now we print out the list value. Oh yeah, we need to add this. So this will like print here, not like this. So yeah, will be defined the output. Okay, so we're gonna create a function for sorting. Hopefully it's static void sort. So we're gonna get the list here. It's the array. Yeah, in Java we call it the array, but in Python I usually use this. There's even array in Python, but I think it's not too common, not not too more common than the list in Python. Yeah, so we use array because it's very convenient. Yeah, right. So the first thing we need to do is to call the first loop for this y 0 y smaller than length 1. So I explain why I minus 1 for the length of the list. So from the video we have this is sorted, right? So when it reach here, the first loop reach here, then it will irritate the second loop will say the next element of the first loop. So if the first loop points to 5, then the second loop will points to 6. We check it whether it's smaller or not, and when the sorting stuff is finished, then it will keep checking. But yeah, there's nothing next to 6, so we only check the last digit of the first loop is this array at the -1 position, so it's pair 1 for the second loop. Okay, right. So I'm gonna call variable for smallest position, yeah, 0, and we're gonna call the second loop 1. Right, so if the y position points here, then we check the next position. So it's no doubt that we will add j equals y plus 1. Yeah, it will keep checking from to the last number of the list. Okay, so we're gonna add a condition to check if the number is smaller. Oh, I'm sorry, smallest number should be y, because if we put it 0, then it will keep checking from here, and yeah, there will be like logical errors, right? So we're gonna add condition if xj equal smaller than smaller position, right? Yeah, so from this, the smallest position is here, and then we check the 4 is smaller than 8, right? So 4 is the smaller position, and we keep checking if any number in the next elements are smaller than 4. Then for example, this is 3, right? For example, this is 3, and 3 is smaller than 4. Yeah, naturally. So 3 would definitely be the next smallest position, and when the second loop ends, it will swap the 8 here. Okay, position. Okay, something's wrong. Right, okay, so then smallest position equals j. Okay, oh, we got some squares. Okay, so it will assign the value on the smaller position, and when the second loop ends for the first attempt of the while loop in first loop, then we'll call a temporary variable to swap the value of the old smallest position to the new smallest position. In temp equals or temporary, for x, you can name it whatever you want, just for easier understanding. xy equals x smallest position and x smallest position temp, and that's all. And we'll call the function here pass the looping. Okay, and that should be enough, right? Yeah, I think that should be enough. So when I check if it successfully runs. Alright, as you can see, it loops really well. So yeah, I'll print the list first. You know. Right, so I'm gonna print again. Okay, sorry. Line, stopping. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So yeah, you see a loop here, right? It's a whole mess. Then I call the sort function, just selection sort. Let me add it here. Sorry. Okay. And then it will sort, and the list changes into the correct order, ascending order. There's even a descending order, but it's a little different code. So you can find it on the internet or some else references. Okay. And yeah, I print again, and the whole list is sorted. Okay, so this is how selection sort works, and I hope my video have taught you lots of things, educational thing stuffs. Yeah, and once again, I'm really thankful that you have spent like more than 10 minutes to watch my video. It's really, yeah, I can't say, but yeah, but I hope you enjoyed the learning and successfully in the coding study. Okay, goodbye.